One of the things that you can do with Google Forms is insert out images from your computer as well. So to do that, over here, you can see that I have a form opened up right here. And to insert out an image, you can click on the title or on a card right here. And then you can see you can add an image to individual options over here, add an image to questions, and add an image to the question card right here. Let me start with the title and click on add image, and over here you can see that insert image dialog box pops up once you click on it. And to upload an image from your computer, you should click on the upload tab right here and then click on browse and then select out an image from your computer that you want to upload right here and press open. So once you do that, what happens is that the image gets uploaded, and you can go around and name out the image as per how you like, right? Just like this over here. So once you do that, you can scroll down, you can go around on to individual image right here. So you can go around and select out an image that you want to upload from over there as well. So let me just select this and press open right here. And what happens is that the image will be inserted on that particular question. Even for individual options, as you can see, you can go around and insert out images over here, and the images will be inserted out on those particular options right there. So you can see that there you go, there's this image on that particular option. So you can see that you can make your form really visual over there. And if I were to go around onto the visual preview, you can see this is what you have. You can see that there's the image selection now instead of regular selection because we uploaded out image to the option. And that is how you can insert images from your computer inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.